Go ahead and get started. So I guess Bob's our reader for today. Okay.
Oh, joy, joy.
So do number one, if you don't mind.
Darin Dr. Agus Daskushan Das. That's the only one I understand. The rest of it's all gibberish.
Okay, so what did the doctor do? He got up and he opened the door. Daskushan Doris opened the door. Okay, see, it's getting easier already. You know? All right, number two, Bob. Okay, so lan offer. Any words anyone knows?
A lot of patients waiting for me out there.
Yeah, outside.
That's
Okay.
just a guess. Did I guess right?
Yeah, lucky guess, right? Yeah, so alan offer is a lot of patients. Like fehev is waiting. We had a bingo game, the guy leaning against the pole. Fehev lom waiting for me. I'm outside. Okay, number three.
Emilia Tanish.
So Imi Latme.
Go away now.
Yeah, go away now. Off with you now.
Big on.
Okay. Number four.
Near Curry Column.
He didn't do something. He didn't move. Okay, and that's the important part is to be able to figure out what word. Okay, you know the word kori, and you know it's doing something. So now you know you need to look up the word kori, right? Okay. He didn't budge. He didn't move. Number five.
Curry me Geall-Cuid Dasoi me new erma Lee Vaha a want a machtum hin Agus go Naoi Liam Marachtal erma Puristal Liavlina.
Okay. So hold off a bit, Bob. We're going to work through this. Okay. Which words do people know here?
I made
Half a year.
promise.
Half a year, Lavlina. And what? Baha. Slivaha. Anyone?
Life.
Yeah. Slivaha is living
Living
or way
life.
of life. Yeah. Okay. Any other words?
The Geall part is the promise.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So,
Make me a promise.
okay, Kurdi McGallat actually means I'll make a bet with you. I'll make a wager with you. Okay. Gal has a couple meanings. When you put a gal with someone, then you make a wager with them. Okay. Actually, I need to go see if there's a name. I don't remember if there was an English name for this book because it could be the promise or it could be the wager. Yeah.
Oh,
I believe the book was actually called The Promise, but I'd have to go look at. Yeah.
Quite a difference.
Yeah, it's the same word in Irish, so it depends on how you use it. So, all right.
So who's saying this, Colm or the doctor?
The column actually.
Oh.
Number five is column. So Curry McGallat is I'll make a wager with you. Godosoime. You want to know tosi? To begin, godosoime that I will begin in you.
Today.
Ermachlivacha wanchamach domhain is my living to earn for myself, or to get earn my living for myself, to earn my own living. Okay, I'll go into that more when we go into the grammar. I guess go nairoilom. Isn't there an iri? It means rise, but it doesn't mean rise here. Succeed. It will succeed. Okay, go nairoilom that I will succeed. Marach tiled. So they the word mar. It's to live, or survive, last. So marach tiled. So nairoilom marach tiled that I will succeed in living. Erma huristal. Huristal is salary. Lap of Liana for half a year. So he says. So I'll make a wager with you that I will begin today to earn my own living, and that I will succeed in living on my salary for half a year. Okay, we'll break it up again and later.
And this dictionary, the first word, it says better wager.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the way you say I promise you, galamdic. So I make a.
And then
so
it's a promise and.
Yeah. So
Wow.
I guess people make more wagers than promises. I don't know. Okay. So number six, Bob.
Moranerin Liam Chucky May Aresh Hugget August. Curhi May Could Mil Euro Dutch Let Torch Dagri Har Hanachta Erbe of Rona to him.
Okay. So Mura Nairian Lom. Anyone want to guess? What words do we know there? Okay, yeah, you probably don't. Most people probably don't know the word Mura, but Airi Lom. Succeed. So Mura Nairian Lom is unless I succeed or if I don't succeed. Choki me irash. Choki, okay, what does choki Allah mean?
Our day will come.
So choki me irash. Yeah, the choki part's to come. So choki me irash, I'll come back. Choki me irash. Huget. To you.
Here.
To you. Huget. To you. I guess torime. Yeah, I'll give to you. Koigamila euro.
50,000
That's ought to be pretty obvious. Okay. Ditch. Torime koigamila euro ditch. I'll give you 50,000 euro. The Tort Dagreacht Hargenachta Erbe. Agreacht is an organization. Agreacht Hargenachta is a charitable organization. Okay, Le Tort Dagreacht Hargenachta, to give to a charitable organization. Erbe means any. Around Naoi to Hain. That you pick, that you will choose. Rawa is a choice. Okay.
I don't get it. He's saying if he do succeed.
If he doesn't, Mura.
Oh, if he do not
and I'll explain that when we get there too. Okay, Ibra Shach Bob.
Ach, ma erin liam de
Those
arsa
ones, they're around.
ava chrehu agus paradun goil liam.
Okay, so Ach ma Irian Lom. What's ma mean?
If I succeed.
Yeah, I need to hold off, Bob. Ma'ayri Lom. Give everyone else a chance here. So Ma'ayri Lom, if I succeed. Be Ortsa Malav Achricha.
It will be upon.
Bob, can hold up, let me let everyone else have a chance. Okay. Let everyone else have a chance first. Huh? Okay, Be Ortsa. Yeah. Literally, what is it? It will be Be Ortsa, it will be on you, meaning actually you'll have to. Be Ortsa, Malav Achricha, my hand to shake.
Shake my hand.
I guess Pardon Agalom. So, and you ask pardon of me. Agalom, Pardon Agalom is to ask my pardon, to apologize. Okay. Beg my pardon. Okay.
So he wants the doctor to apologize for suggesting that his lifestyle was bad.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Bob, number 8. Okay.
What do you say?
What do you say? Okay, number 9, Bob.
Anig Bianca Shadow Garvel and Doctor.
Don't know what manga is. Manga is a smile. You say manga or you say manga gaira is a smile.
Gaze.
That would be hug, but Hanig, on mouth of the doctor, sardonic smile, yeah. Hanig is came, so a sardonic smile came on the mouth of the doctor.
Sardonic.
Kind of like,
Like you're a jerk and you're not going to change.
yeah.
That's a little smear in the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, sneer, there you go.
Okay. Yeah, I put in kind of bitter, but sardonic's a better word in there. Number 10, Bob.
Sotu sever agus da carja rachmas aget stoke.
There's a tatu sever. Remember the word sever, severus?
Yeah, we had
I've heard it.
Wealthy. So tatu sever, I guess takarja rachmasacha.
Your friends or something.
You have wealthy friends.
Probably.
Yeah, probably is stocha. Okay, hinjay, Bob.
Rachmas means rich.
Rachmas is wealth. So rachmasach is wealthy, and rachmasacha is plural of
So
that.
funny, rachmas.
Yeah, rachmas sounds like a good, yeah. Okay.
Dan kindje gamja shiedsen teltjene tu ostu de kjan shebi
Okay, so time kincha.
Of course.
Okay, or I am certain time kincha. Gomeach shiadson. Gomeach, no, gomeach. That they would be. Shiadson. Tilchinach comes from Lidahil, like the word till and Lidahil, which means with your will. So tilchinach is willing. Okay, tu ostu. Yeah, I think we might have had a related word, but ostu is to employ. Tu ostu gokyan shevi.
6 months.
Yeah, 4 6 months. Gokyan shevi. Okay.